Assembly video for our heavy-duty clamp-on desktop computer mount. Loosen the width adjustment plate. Slightly loosen the bolts on both sides of the width adjustment plate, but do not remove the bolts. This will allow the plate to slide for later width adjustment. Secure the holding bracket to the end of the width adjustment plate using 4 of the provided bolts, then tighten the bolts until the bracket is firmly attached. Peel the backing from the rubber pads and press them firmly onto the top surface of each rail on the clamp base assembly. Align the bolts on the clamp base assembly and pass them through the holes on the width adjustment plate. Insert and tighten 4 of the provided bolts to secure the width adjustment plate in place. Assemble the bottom tray. Attach the 2 vertical rails to the bottom support tray as shown. Insert the bottom tray. Slide the assembled bottom tray into the rails of the clamp assembly. Adjust the bracket length so that your computer fits securely. Then secure the bracket in place. Install the clamping plate. Position the clamping plate over the end of the bolts on the clamp assembly as shown. Ensure the plate sits flat and place the clamp over the edge of your desk. Use the hex wrench to tighten the clamp bolts until the plate is tightened fully to the desktop. Insert and secure your desktop computer. Carefully slide your computer into the mounted frame, resting it on the bottom support tray. Adjust the width adjustment plate so it fits snugly against the side of the computer to prevent any movement. Once positioned correctly, tighten the bolts and lock the width adjustment plate in place.